Guys, March 25th, 2024, Monday morning. So here I gotta go to do a burner service for a guy. I'm not sure. I might have been there before, a couple of years ago maybe. Been a little on the chilly side lately and raining a lot, so hopefully it's gonna start to warm up. It's been maybe getting into the 40s, you know, low 40s during the day. I really like it above 50 degrees during the day, and it's nice to work outside and get some stuff done around the yard. Got a bunch of projects going on and trying to get stuff done around the shop, you know. Anyway, we try to get you some shots. Got Miss Molly with me this morning. My buddy. My buddy, Miss Molly. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Been here before. I just bought the house. Been a couple 4 years. Wow. Clean burners. I put this feeder in before. Expansion tank. It's been 4 years since I cleaned the burners. We'll see how dirty they are. Feeder was back. 17. New feeder. Wow. That's fucking crazy. New expansion tank. That's crazy. 17. That's 7 years. I put the feeder in 7 years ago. Seems like yesterday. Got a dog here. That's not good. I got it off. Pressure looks good. Inside there. Yeah, probably use a little brushing. Wow, that looks a little cooked there. Yeah, there. Got this wire. A little fried. Yeah. Take that up. They still look pretty clean, but they don't look bad. A little dusty, but nothing serious. Yeah, they're fine. Let's see. They're fine. They're all clean. It's been 4 years. It's fine. As these boilers get older, I usually tell the people every couple of years it's good to check on them. They start getting rusty. They start dropping rust on the burners. That's when you're going to have an issue. If it's running clean, it's not a problem. That's all fine. That's all fine and dandy. This back on. Make sure that's down all the way and plug these back in. One there. One here. What I'd like to do is maybe get these out of the way so they don't burn like that. Put a wire tie over here or something to keep them out of the way. Dark and dingy here, Mama. Put a wire tie up there. The one I wanted to hook up, I forgot. Yeah. Funny. Just keep them out of the way. I should have a screw in that thing. That's probably why it's getting a little hot. It's missing a screw. It's got a couple of screws loose now. There's a couple of screws loose. That should hold that in better. Screw. Alright, I'll turn it back on. All the zones, none of the zones are calling right now. But he's gonna be better now. Better to be safe than sorry. The burners are fine. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. None of the zones are calling, but she's ready to go. Alright, burners are clean. Wrapped up burnt wire, relocated to keep cool. That should be fine now. You probably caught it just in time. Burners are clean. We're good to go. Pressure's good.